Hello guys, welcome to my channel IT Scholar. This is the third video on the shortcut keys and it's about function keys. But before we move towards our video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more videos and for more updates. Let's get to the video. Today we will learn about the function keys which are placed on the top of our keyboard. Some of these keys works independently and some of them works with the combination of other keys, just like F1 key. By pressing this key, it opens a help menu on the current program's screen. It could be any program which supports this option, just like when I press F1 key on the desktop, it opens the help menu. And if we go to MS Word and press F1 key, it shows the help menu of MS Word. F2 function key. This function key is used to rename any selected file or folder. Just like when I select this random file over here and I press F2 key, it shows the option to edit its name. F3 function key. This key is used to search under the current open program. Just like when I press the F3 key in the Windows Explorer over here, you can see on the upper left side of the screen that it shows the search option over there. Now you can search any data on the whole computer. F4 function key. As I mentioned earlier, that some keys work with a combination of other keys. As they don't have their independent use, this key is one of them. F4 key is used with a combination of Alt and Control. By pressing Alt and F4 simultaneously, it will close the current open program just like this. And if I press Ctrl F4 simultaneously, this key is used to close a program within an open window. Just like when I press these keys in the open window, it will close its tab, not the whole program. F5 function key is used to refresh the windows. Just like when I press this key on the desktop, it will refresh the screen and windows. It helps to restore all the errors that occurs on the screen. F6 function key. This key is used to move the cursor on the screen. It is used when we don't have any mouse attached, then this key or the tab key is used for this purpose. But F6 key is more useful than the tab key. Just like when I press the F6 key over here, you can see the cursor selection is moving on the whole screen. F7 key is used for spellings and grammatical check on MS Word. Just like when I press this key, it shows the options regarding spelling and grammatical mistakes. F8 function key. This key is often used to open safe mode in Windows. It is used when computer turns on, and on the very first screen, press this key to start up the safe mode, in which changes can be made without any administrator permissions. F9 function key is used to refresh the document in MS Word. Just like when I press F9 in MS Word over here, it refreshes the whole document just like this. F10 key is used to activate the menu bar or ribbon of an opened window. Just like if I press this key in MS Word, it shows the menu to open an option, as you can see on the top of the screen. F11 key is used to enter full screen in current open program if supported, which means if I press this key in the current open browser over here, it enters the full screen, and by repressing it, it exits the full screen. F12 function key is used for different purpose depending on the program, but it is commonly used for saving documents in MS Word. Just like when I press the F12 key in the current open document, it shows an option to save the document as per customized settings. Remember, the uses of function keys I told you today are commonly used for these purposes, but also their usage changes depending on the program. They could be used with other keys or can be used individually, but with different function. Well, that's all for today's lesson. Stay tuned for upcoming videos, and for that, keep supporting the channel by subscribing the channel and by liking and sharing the videos. Till then, take care and meet you in the next video.